Once upon a time, a little house finch built her nest on a small tree near a busy street. Every day, cars rushed past, people made noise, and storms shook her fragile nest. Many birds told her to give up and fly away. But the house finch never quit. She carried one twig at a time, one straw at a time, and patiently rebuilt her nest after every storm. Soon her nest became strong, and she raised her chicks safely in the very place others thought was impossible. The world realized success is not about the perfect place or time. It is about courage, patience, and never giving up. Moral: no matter the challenges, persistence and patience will always lead to success.